If you look at the headlines, the American economy is booming. The S&P 500 is at an all-time high. Unemployment is stable. The data says we are richer than ever. But if you look at your bank account, it tells a different story. Groceries are up 40%, rent has doubled. And a six-figure salary, once the golden ticket to the American dream, now barely covers the basics. Economists call this a soft landing. But for the average worker, it feels like a crash. We are living through a silent depression, a phenomenon where the numbers look good, but the reality is broken. Welcome to Vantage Notes. Today, we look at the one chart that explains why you feel broke. Despite working harder than ever, to understand this crash, we have to look back at 1971. For decades, productivity and wages grew together. If the company made more money, you made more money. But then, something snapped. The gap between productivity and wages blew wide open. Since 1971, worker productivity has risen by 65%, but hourly pay has grown by less than 18%. Where did the rest of the money go? It didn't disappear, it went to assets. While your paycheck stayed flat, the price of the things you need to survive, houses, healthcare, and education, skyrocketed. In 1980, the median home cost 3 times the average salary. Today, it costs nearly 8 times. You aren't earning less money. Your money is just buying less life. This is the mechanism of the silent depression. The government prints money to save the economy, which inflates the price of assets. If you own assets, stocks, real estate, gold, you get richer. If you only own cash and labor, you get poorer. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed. But it's not designed for the saver. It's designed for the investor. The only way to escape the silent crash is to stop playing the game of saving and start playing the game of ownership. You cannot outwork inflation. You have to out-invest it. This is Vantage Notes. Subscribe to see the market clearly.